I'm about to introduce you to Bitcoin's deadly line. Every time we react with this line, Bitcoin acts the same exact way. So we have a cheat code. Back in 2014, we came down to touch this line. Bitcoin acted the same exact way after. 2018, we came down to touch this line. Bitcoin acted the same way exactly after. Same in 2020. I'm going to show you what Bitcoin is doing today in 2022 with this deadly line and what we expect to happen. If you're new, my name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button right now. Before we jump into this video, I'm going to share with you something that will impact your life forever. Attention, attention, attention. If you're a gold student or a diamond student, we are hiring. We're going to double our team this year. All of our students from around the world have flooded with their resumes. You are next. Send in your resume, send in your CV, send in your LinkedIn right now. Work remotely, wherever in the world. Also, work with like-minded crypto people. We love crypto, we eat crypto, we breathe crypto. Expand your game. This is the moment you've been waiting for. You don't like your current job. This is your dream job. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, email us, or just email us info@cryptocrewuniversity.com with your CV. Put subject line, open position. If you're a gold student, you're a diamond student. If you're not a student yet, go to our website, sign up. We're changing lives all around the world, but this is an opportunity. We're motivated to change 1 million lives. We need people like you on our team that's highly, highly motivated on that mission. Send us your email right now, info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Gold student, diamond student, can't wait to hear from you. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Let's get into this video. This is Bitcoin's deadly line. What is it? It's the 200 MA. What are we? We're on the 3-day. This line is so precise in Bitcoin's entire history. In fact, the first time we really touched this line in our life was 2014. 2014, we were in a major run right before that. We came crashing down. Everybody thought we're going back to the moon. We came down to this ridiculous line and we started touching it for a handful of candles. And then we broke through it and then we held it as resistance. And that was the level that just pushed us down so hard to our market bottom. So this line was the level. Now, fast forward 4 years, 2018, look at what happened. We came down to touch this line and we acted the same exact way. We held this line, we tried to hold it for support. We couldn't, we broke through, we started holding it as resistance. As soon as it started holding as resistance, it pushed our head underwater so fast and furious right to the market bottom. So right after we broke this line, market bottom. Now, look at what happened in 2020. You remember this run up to 14K. We called it overextended. We needed a correction. It was healthy, but we corrected all the way back down to this deadly line. Anytime we come back down to it from an uptrend, you can see held it as support. We had one last leg up. We couldn't make a new higher high, plummeted. Anytime we touch this line, what happens next is we plummet to our market bottom. In 3 instances, the only 3 that we ever touched the line right after it was the market bottom, 2014, 2018, and 2020. Now I want to show you 2022. I want you to be ready. We're going to talk about what you should be doing. We're going to talk about what we think might happen. We're going to talk about some scenarios. We're going to talk about 2 key prices, but I've got to show you the deadly line because we've been playing with this line and this line doesn't play with us very nicely over the history of Bitcoin. Here we are in 2022. Take a look. We started touching this line really at the end of January. We've had some wicks through. We have not had a body through, and we'll talk about what that means in a moment. But make no mistake, we've been playing with this line and this line does not play nice. So far, we've held it as support. You can see some long wicks through that tells us there was a lot of buying pressure coming in here. A lot of people buying here, a lot of people buying here. Good. However, we have yet to really get off of this line. We're off of it right now, but I mean, we've been on it basically for all of 2022. And if we look in history, any time that we're on it, and we are on it in 2018 for a while, we're talking about a couple months on this line before we actually broke through. Where we're at now, we're at a couple months. Now, what do we expect to happen? If we break this line, you all know what's coming next. A market bottom. We'll fall deeper into the golden zone and we'll have the best buying opportunity literally of your entire life. And by the way, anytime you buy in the golden zone, you're going to look like a superhero a few years from now. This line, if we break it, it's deadly. If we hold it, we've never held it in history. We've never come down to this line and just held it and bounced off it. We've never done it. Could Bitcoin do it? Maybe this is the first time ever. We'll have to see. But I wanted to bring this up to you because a lot of times we have this clouded vision of the short-term vision of the 5-minute minute chart, of the 4-hour chart, and we get clouded with, oh my God, Bitcoin, could potentially go back to the moon. Right now, the signs in the charts, and if we look at a few different charts, right, we had the MACD on the monthly, we have the 3-day death cross coming, we had the stochastic RSI below on the monthly. When you look at these bigger time frames, it's telling you, hey, there's some turmoil to come. And it's going to come after we break this red line, which currently is at 38,000. Now, there's two main levels to watch. We talk about the 47,000 and we talk about the 30,000. If we break 30,000, we could fall all the way to 14. If we break 47,000 to the upside, it could be a major sign of great things to come, especially if we close above 53. If we close above 53, we're off to the races to the upside. But that's not likely as we speak. It's not probable. What's more probable is a further downside action in the next 6 months. That's just what the charts are saying. That's the facts in the charts. So I wanted to share this with you. You come to my channel for no BS. I don't beat around the bush. I just tell you the facts. And the facts are, it's more likely that we have trouble ahead than butterflies and rose petals ahead. But it's going to come down to those prices. It's going to come down to this level. If you're a gold student, a diamond student, send in that resume right now. Dream job, work from home, work from whatever country in the world you want to, travel, whatever you want. This is your dream job in crypto with like-minded folks who are on a mission to change 1 million lives. We need your help. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Use the subject line open position. Send in your CV, your resume right now. I'll see you on the inside on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. There's only one question left. When to sell your cryptocurrency? Click right here, right now to find the 3 simple steps.